Good afternoon, good day to everyone. This is our church, the GOCFC Gospel of Christ Fellowship Center Ecofi Church, Mulmargos, Grand Sarangani Province. Our church has no karatula yet because this is under ongoing construction, and this is now the body of the church. This is our church located in our home place. This is now our church. The window is still open, not yet finished, because we are still waiting for the grace of God. We are still waiting for the budget because we do not enough money. Our members here are mostly carpenter, drivers, farmer. So we just abide the grace of God, the blessings of the Lord in our church. That's why we are doing it by faith, by the grace of God, that God will just supply the needs of our church. So this is it now, our church. So thank God for everything. Thank God for the privilege. So this is now the YouTube channel of Honey 129 official. Salamat, salamat, salamat. God bless.